Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Amazon favorites video for you. I absolutely love shopping on Amazon, and lots of new favorites accumulate quickly because there are just so many good things that I keep finding and purchasing, whether they are beauty related items or techie things for my YouTube channel or my phone, or in this video I actually have a couple of more decorative items for my room that I want to share with you guys as well. I just love finding new things on Amazon, and when I do find these gems, I cannot wait to share them with you guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoy seeing this video, and if you want to see some more of my Amazon favorites, make sure to keep on watching. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys today is my phone and pop socket situation, my phone case situation, I should say. I am very particular about my phone case. I like my pop socket to match my phone case. I like to go with a certain vibe, I guess, depending on the time of year, and I have been on the hunt for just a standard clear phone case because I have the rose gold iPhone 8 Plus. I know, iPhone 8 Plus, I'm a little behind here, but I don't mind. I love it. I think the phone is just so pretty. I love the aesthetic of the rose gold, or it's just the classic gold iPhone 8, and I wanted to show through, so I've been on the hunt for a clear phone case forever, and I finally found this one on Amazon. This one is by the brand Tech, and I knew I was going to love this because my favorite screen protectors that I've mentioned in past videos are by Tech as well. They are so indestructible. I've had the same one on my phone for over a year, and I just have the teeniest tiny little crack in it, but I felt better knowing that the phone case was by a brand that also made the screen protectors that I love. So here's the phone case. It is just a standard clear phone case, probably not much to see on camera, but the best part about it, I believe it was like maybe $7, $5 to $7, something like that. And take it from someone who is literally always dropping her phone. I am so clumsy with my phone. It is something that I am always dropping, and for being such a more affordable phone case, I find it to be very protective. I haven't had any issues with it. Moving on to the other detail on my phone, I have this marble pink and white pop socket, which is perfect. This is so my aesthetic, so my vibe. And I used to have a blue marble pop socket. I feel like it's a little bit washed out here on camera. Hopefully you guys can see the pink marble, but I used to have a blue one, but again, I just wanted something a little bit lighter. I wanted the white inside instead of the black that a lot of pop sockets have in here. I've always felt that pop sockets were always a little bit overpriced, but they're really convenient. I cannot hold my phone without one anymore. And then the phone case is very affordable, and for my specific phone, it is $5.99. Sticking with the techie theme and also the white and pink marble theme, I also want to share my laptop with you guys. I have the MacBook Pro 13-inch, and here is my laptop case. Again, not sure if it's a little washed out, but it is a beautiful white and pink marble. I love this. White and pink is one of my favorite color combinations, and I just think the marble looks so clean and beautiful and sleek. This laptop case is $19 on Amazon, and I just love it. A laptop case to me is something that is always a necessity. I found that it has kept my laptop looking really new, and it also protects my laptop, especially when I was in college and wanted to carry it around, and I had it in my bag just in case I were to ever drop my bag or anything were to ever happen. It's just an extra layer of protection. So the top is the pink marble, and then the bottom is just a clear material with the little vents so your laptop doesn't get too hot. The one thing that I will say about laptop cases, at least the ones that I have tried from Amazon in general, because I have tried a few, are that they make your laptops extremely heavy. My MacBook Pro is not typically that heavy when I don't have a case on it, but as soon as I add a case on it, it adds a decent amount of weight to the laptop. But again, on the other hand, it still is really, really nice and protected. As you guys can see, the case has some scratches on it. At least it's on the case and not the laptop if I ever wanted to trade it in or something like that, just to keep it looking as brand new as possible. While my laptop is here, another thing that I've purchased for it off of Amazon that I love and that are total necessities for me are the little webcam covers. Again, I feel like this is hard to show you guys, but you guys can see right here, I got this little webcam cover that slides back and forth. So I could go ahead and open it up when I need my webcam, but then close it when I am not using it. This is probably the most affordable thing I'm going to show you in today's video. The webcam covers actually come in this little pack of 3 for, I believe, just under $3, like $2.50, $2.97, a price like that. But I really love these. I was the person with a sticky note on my webcam for so long. It was falling off. It was leaving a sticky residue on my screen that I would always have to clean. So I decided to just bite the bullet and get some. Some of these are pretty expensive, but I just did webcam covers and then I filtered it by least expensive to most expensive, and I found these. I'm really not picky. In a case like this, I don't need something super elaborate. It's a little bit hard to do when it's not stuck on something, and if you don't have like the longest nails ever like I do, but you just stick it so that your webcam goes in this little hole, so then you could just slide it over when you're not using it. And the other side is just like a really easy to use peel off adhesive. I literally put it on my laptop in about a minute. It was just incredibly easy to install. And I just love that you could find something like this for so cheap. I don't like spending a lot of money on little things like this. So for under $3, you definitely cannot go wrong for 3. The next thing that I want to share with you guys is something that I definitely need to use right about now because I am sweating in this sweater. I am so hot in front of these lights. But this is the Version Tech handheld fan. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me use this in a couple of my videos where I'm doing my makeup. I like to use this to dry my concealer. More often than not, I use it to dry my setting spray. So it's definitely been very functional for that. It was also very functional once when we lost power over the summer and we didn't have any air conditioning, because this is a rechargeable battery powered fan, so you don't need to plug it in or anything to use it all of the time. And I actually got this in August and I have yet to charge it. So far it's been holding the charge incredibly well, but sometimes I'm just sitting here like right now when I'm filming and I get really overheated in the studio lights, especially just with like talking and doing my makeup, and I have the 3 big lights on me. The fan is $12.99 on Amazon, and it also comes in different colors: black, blue, green, the pink one, which is what I have, and then also white, which is really cute as well. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but this is the lowest setting, middle setting, and the highest. For being such a little handheld fan, you guys can see it is so cute and tiny, fits right in the palm of my hand. It is really powerful, but I think if you have maybe also an emergency kit in your house, this could be great. Again, as I said, I used it when the power went out and we didn't have air conditioning and it was a just super hot day. It's really good for that as well. So definitely recommend this. Such a good Amazon find. I actually think I found this from Juicy Jazz, one of Juicy Jazz Amazon videos. You guys know I'm obsessed with her. Love her videos, and I have to buy everything that she recommends. So I'm just gonna sit here and cool down for a second before we move on. Moving on to another Amazon favorite, I have some e.l.f. makeup, which I had no idea e.l.f. was even sold on Amazon. You guys know that I really love e.l.f., and if I could, I would probably recommend every single little thing that they have on Amazon from e.l.f. to you guys, because it is just one of my favorite brands and their products are out of this world. Just to keep it short and sweet, and so this video isn't too long and I don't sound too repetitive because I talk a lot about e.l.f. here on my channel, the 2 products that I recommend getting on Amazon are the little bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. In particular, my current favorite at the moment is in the shade Cream and Sugar, which is just a beautiful standard everyday type of palette. If you are someone who has an event and you need a glam eyeshadow but you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just want to get something good that's quality in a pinch, these are definitely your best option off of Amazon. Amazon does not have a lot of good eyeshadows. When I did the testing Amazon makeup video back a couple of months ago, I ended up going with the Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palette, which was not good at all. Amazon just doesn't have a lot of great options that I actually trust. They have a lot of like cheapy makeup brands that I wouldn't 100% trust the quality of or the formula of either, to be honest with you guys. So if you are wanting eyeshadow from Amazon, something quick, glam, in a pinch, definitely the bite-sized shadows. They are $2.99 on Amazon, and they do have a couple of other shades, but I just feel like this is one of the best ones for everyone. Just really quick and easy lid shades, crease shades, or darkening shades. It is just like the perfect perfect everyday palette. I'm so happy that Amazon has these. And then the other recommendations are definitely their liquid glitter eyeshadows. These are what they look like right here. I'm wearing this one on my lid today in the shade Flirty Birdie. If you guys can see the glitter that is on my lid there. This one is almost a perfect dupe for Stila's Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten. I love this. These retail for only $5 and they are so tiny and cute. I actually discovered that Amazon carried e.l.f. makeup because I googled like eye safe silver glitter for my Halloween look, and their liquid glitter shadow came up in the shade Disco Queen, which I haven't tried this one yet. I will be trying this out on Halloween. Here's what it looks like out of the package. This is going to go perfect with my Alien Halloween makeup, which is already up on my channel if you guys want to go check it out. Sometimes the e.l.f. Cosmetics website does offer free shipping and you guys can get these on their website as well, but I feel like nothing beats Amazon Prime 2-day shipping, especially if you need something in a pinch. And these are just really safe options when it comes to makeup on Amazon. These are probably the best quality that I have found. I have one last beauty item to share with you guys before I move on to just a couple of decor pieces that I've been wanting to share with you. So you guys know that I've been really loving my makeup eraser, which you can get on Amazon as well. It has been the best solution to me when it comes to taking off my makeup and being able to switch to a more gentle cleanser that doesn't necessarily break down my makeup. I explained that all to you guys in my recent video on how I cleared my skin if you want to check that out. But I knew there had to be a solution to not having to spend $20 on one cloth that is going to remove your makeup. So I decided to do some research. I decided to purchase a couple of different dupes. These are by the brand Danielle Creations. You get 4 chiffon towels in here, and these are the Erase Your Face reusable makeup removing cloths for sensitive skin. I have been loving these. I did already wash them and use them. I just wanted to put them back in the package to show you guys. I think that these are so much better than the classic makeup eraser in the sense that you get 4 cloths in here for only $8.99. Let me tell you guys, there are absolutely no differences between these cloths and the original makeup eraser, besides the fact that you get more for less than half of the price. You get a teal cloth, a purple cloth, the fuchsia cloth, which looks identical to the original makeup eraser, as well as a black cloth, which I really like because it doesn't look dirty when you use it. I originally was going to make a whole entire dedicated video on this, but I figured it would work in this Amazon video just because both of them are available on Amazon if you guys want to get both and try it out yourself. But trust me, take my word for it, you do not need to spend $20 on the original makeup eraser. Don't get me wrong, I love my original makeup eraser. It gets the job done. I see what all the hype is about. I just always had an issue with the price, and I just knew right away that I would be able to dupe it. So I just showed you guys all of the colors. I just want to do a quick up close comparison of the 2 pink cloths. So this one right here, which is my left, your right, is the original makeup eraser, and then this one is the dupe. So you guys can see barely any differences, the slightest difference ever in color. You definitely cannot go wrong. I have been loving these. Now moving on to a couple of room things. I have been in the process of just changing up some stuff in my room. When I moved into the house that I'm living in now, I was 13 or 14 years old, and my style was just so different. I really felt like I outgrew all the different colors that I had in my room. And what you guys see behind me here, the black, the pink, the gold, the makeup decor, this is my new style. Like the pink and white marble, that is what I like to see in my room. That is my style. White, pink, and black. But behind the camera, behind my lights, I had all different crazy colors going on, but I found that Amazon was just the perfect place to find affordable things to make small changes that made a really big difference when they were kind of put all together. The first thing that I was so incredibly happy to find on Amazon was this set of gallery photo frames, because I had this vision of doing a little gallery wall above my bed. I will insert a little layover clip right here, but you guys can see these come in a set of 5 and they retail for $28.99. I don't know about you guys, but I personally feel like the final product looks so much more high-end than just $30. I spent $28.99 on the frames and about another $5 on the actual prints, which I also got printed from Amazon. I wanted to do the photos all black and white just to keep it a little bit more subdued, a little bit more subtle. And the frames themselves are actually pretty big. They are 11 by 14 frames, but then they come with a mat for an 8 by 10 photo. And the frames also come in white, gray, red, blush pink as well. I just thought that the black kind of popped off my wall and tied everything together a little bit more. And then another thing that I really love from Amazon are my new curtains. In my room, I used to have really long to the floor pink curtains that had a little purple in them, some pom-poms on them. Again, just a little bit childish, not my style anymore. And I replaced them with these short plain white curtains that were $25 for 2 of them. Both of the curtains came in a pack for the $24, so like $12 each. I feel like you can't beat it. They're a really nice thick material. They're not plasticky blackout curtains, but they definitely do a nice job at blocking a decent amount of light. I love the white. It's very crisp and clean. The curtains came in a lot of other colors, but again, my goal was kind of to remove a lot of color from my room. I wish I had a before picture of my curtains. Unfortunately, I don't, but I love the crisp and clean white. And then the last thing that I want to show you guys in today's video are the little pearl magnetic balls that hold my curtains open. I feel like talking about curtains is so boring, but if you guys like house stuff or decorating, then you'll feel me. When I pull the curtain open, they weren't staying all the way because they were kind of bunching together and closing again. So I needed to get something to just hold the curtains open on one side. And these little holders are so easy to use. All you do is wrap it around, and the 2 little pearl balls, which are so pretty, I love how those look. They just magnetize together and hold the curtain totally open. And these were only $5.45 for both of them. So just another little room thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Again, if you want a room tour once my room is finished, that is definitely something I could do for you. Probably not until the new year. There are still some things that we're wanting to do, like painting and flooring and stuff like that. But if you guys just stay tuned to the new year, if a room tour is something you want to see, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I would love to film one for you. All right, you guys, so that is going to complete this video. That is another handful of Amazon favorites and finds that I wanted to share with you guys. Everything that I mentioned in today's video will be listed and linked down below if you guys want to shop. Just keep in mind that I am a part of Amazon's influencer program, meaning I will make a commission if you shop through any of my Amazon links, but definitely no pressure to do so. You guys can shop through your own links, through your own browser. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video and spending time with me today. If you did, and if you want me to make more Amazon videos in the future as I try stuff out and I find some new favorites, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and it really helps me out. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you guys here as part of my little YouTube fam. If you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, click that notification bell down below and you'll get notified every single time that I upload a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!